It's gonna be much more physical training this week. That's it. Okay. So see you tomorrow, 9 o'clock. So you choose plan B for this week. Okay.
Two. $50.